actually after 1 year, but most of our seniors are not here. But if I share my experience with this company, we started from a very small place. It was just a cabin for 10 to 15 people, and we really loved working there. We started as a developer. We shared some most amazing moments. Then it comes some bigger projects in there. We have spent so much big nights there in that old office. So many treats we shared there. So many birthdays we enjoyed there. We enjoyed the anniversary also. Most of the learning experience comes from that office only. Then the day comes when we shifted here. Most of the faces are new for me here, but almost we enjoyed working every single day here. If I can share the best moments when we enjoyed Sir's birthday on last August, I think we prepared a board out there, and each and every we write down the wishes in each and every language. Hope you remember, sir. Yeah, and then after the birthday celebrations on each and every month of each and every individual, and there are lots of very sweet memories out here. But now our mentors are moving to Delhi. I don't know when they will visit this guest house again.
I would like to just add something. We are not exactly moving. It's just that when we set up anything, we need to spend some time in doing so. Right? So we are moving temporarily, but obviously we will operate from Noida office now, because of the very simple reason that operation has stabilized here. We have recruited some smart folks here, and everything is moving swiftly, and we are growing. So there obviously it will take some time, because again we will have to start with a very small team, but probably with a big office. So once we are done setting up the office now, we will visit our Bangalore office and see how things shape.
So I want to share something that since past 2 years we are together, and it was really a very good and very blissful experience for us that we are just sharing such kind of moments with you. It will be a pleasure working with you, sir.
Absolutely.
And
so
we are going to miss you here, but I know that you are
guys.
good for us.
I mean, a lot of people are under impression that it's probably come very less here. But it's not like that. I told some of my teammates and some of the broader team that everything requires some kind of a setup time, right? So Akhilesh has in fact also gone because of the same reason, and he will return after 3 months. Why 3 months? Because we are of assumption that probably it will take 3 months to actually set up the office there and recruit people. We planning to recruit sales team there, and then we'll have the dev operations running from Bangalore office only, but some of the product folks are being relocated there, and we will scale the iPhone team there as well as here. It's not that the growth will be stopped here, but as of now we'll focus on our Noida office. Once that has been completely done, we'll visit very often, probably 1.5 to 2 months. You will see me in Faisal for probably 10-15 days.
We will ensure you, sir, that this development process will never going to stop. It will be same as always, and we will try to pace it up as much as we can.
Absolutely. And I just want to thank everybody of you, because what we are doing and the way we have grown is all because of you guys. The kind of effort which the team has put in, all the team and the team.
So why are we opening up in Noida? What do you guys think? Why are we opening a new office? What are the? I mean, each of you, what do you think?
Expand.
It's just a
Expand. What does expand mean? I mean, size.
Size and obviously size, because when size grows, projects will be more and
So
more.
why are we not expanding here then? We still have a few empty seats.
Having more branches. Well, not about investment. Probably setting up in different cities will give different impressions for the clients.
That's right. So for example, Bangalore is the IT capital. So you find a lot of software engineers in Bangalore. Right? Delhi is more like the political capital of the country. So you find a lot of good business development guys out there. As we are increasing the activity, we need to increase the business development team, which we have obviously increased here as well. But we want to focus on where these things are done the best, which is Delhi for the moment. This will be the development center, the BDC, the Bangalore Development Center. But that will more likely be the business center for the of the company. So there we will have more sales people rather than more technical people. Of course, the product team will be working out of both the offices, and so will the BD team as well, because we have a small BD team here. The sales team, the calling team is all here. But we want to hire some other specialities people in the Noida office. And we will not be permanent in any position. We will be keep on moving between Bangalore, Noida, and in the future we have plans of opening up in US as well, because that is primarily where we do all our work from. So you keep on having those Skype calls. So it will be so much better if we can be there and do all that work for us. Eventually, all of you might also have to come down to Bangalore, to Noida as and when required, and to US if at all that makes sense. For example, if you are talking to your client and if you have to go there, why not? So as we grow, we need to make use of the distinct advantages that each geography has to offer. So Bangalore has good IT people, Delhi has good sales people, and our clients come from the US. So it makes sense for us to be there in all three positions. So now the Delhi office is next in line. Finally, we will be targeting the US office. So that is what we are trying to do. So does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
All of you. So what will happen in your work life? What will be the changes? That me and Raghu will not be here, or a few people will be keep on, the Akhilesh is not here. See, the responsibility on each of you has gone up that much more, because we are not here, so we have to depend on the fact that you are doing your work properly without any supervision. I mean, obviously you will have people who will be overlooking everything. Imran will be here, and for a few months he'll be here, then he'll be coming down to Noida. Similarly, each of you will have your own team leads and your own reporting structure, but it is more important than ever for each of you to focus on your own work in a more unsupervised manner, being more disciplined. Because as we are focusing on growing that office, obviously we are investing our time and money and energy in building that office. So the last thing we want is any kind of worries about the Bangalore office. We want the Bangalore setup to continue to grow with the idea that as we scale the Noida office, it's not about Noida, Bangalore or US, it is about the company as a whole. So as we grow there, it will obviously bring in a lot of good things to Bangalore as well. So this office should continue to operate in the best possible manner and grow as well as we move forward. So immediate growth will be in the SEO teams, in the calling team, also maybe in the PHP team. Then as we get more work there, or the product team might be increased in the Noida office. So a lot of things will be happening. So the company overall will be growing because of that office, and this office should act as a supporting factor, not as a something that we should be worried about. So each of you, I think, has more and more responsibility in the coming few days to focus on the work that you are doing, understand the larger vision of the company. 6 months down the line, 10 months down the line, 1 year down the line, we are all working towards having a more progressive future. So this office needs to be self-sustaining, needs to be independent, and it needs to perform better than ever. So I hope that is something that each of you can understand, that there is a vision, there is an investment in the company for the long term. So we are here looking into the future, going to another office, opening up a new office, with the hope that as we do that, we will scale up the operation. Each of you will grow in the process. Right? That makes sense, guys?